The great gun's toll had begun to take their toll. Stone by stone, the mighty walls of Constantinople were starting to give way. But the defenders had no time to retreat. They rushed toward the broken walls, determined to hold the line.
Keep pushing.
All through the night, the defenders repaired what the cannons destroyed. But the guns would not stop.
We must hold.
Every repair bought them only a little time. Then the great guns answered again. The bombardment was relentless. Even the strongest walls began to shake beneath the blows. Still, the defenders refused to abandon the walls. They stood between the city and the advancing Ottoman army. Across the battlefield, Mehmed could see the damage. The walls were weakening, but the defenders were still holding.
Lower the lever.
Mehmed gave the order. The great bombard was loaded once more.
Brace the supports.
On the walls, the defenders saw the cannon ready. They knew another blow was coming. Then came the thunder. The bombard fired once more at the walls of Constantinople.